I want to introduce the second noun class, okay?
Okay, wait.
If you say yes, then I can start.
Ndio.
Sawa. So my speed today will be a little bit fast kidogo.
Okay.
Kaka, so you have to bear with me. But I'll make sure that you not corrupt your brain. So Leo, then I introduce second noun class, and this noun class is all about people. It's all about animals. It's all about insects.
Okay.
Can you start again, please? Sorry.
Yes, it's okay. I can see. So leo tunafanya introduction ya noun class number 2.
Okay.
And this noun class is called noun class hii inaitwa M/wa noun class. Wa noun class. Sawa?
Sawa.
This noun class is all about people, animals, insects, birds, everything that can move, everything that is a living creature.
Trees?
Trees are living things, but not living creatures. So trees are not there.
Okay, which can move.
Yes, which can move. We're talking about all things that can move.
Okay.
Some people, they do say trees also moving, but the movement is whatever they call it. But it's not about this. It's about creatures.
Okay.
Ndio. Sawa kaka Alvin. We good? Sawa. So hapa hey Alvin, Kivi class, we said we have only 2 groups. Nouns starting with the key or CH, is it?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
But here we have about 6
Types of noun.
types of nouns found here.
Mm-hmm.
Number 1, those starting with the nickname itself. Mtoto, watoto, mtu, watu, mvulana, wavulana, msichana, wasichana. You know this, is it?
Some of them,
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll send you the list because now we have to do it in a short form, but at least number moja is M, mtoto, watoto. Sawa?
Sawa.
Sawa kaka Alvin?
Sawa.
Mvulana, wavulana, msichana, wasichana. Good. Group number 2, it is for nouns starting with M-W, like a teacher.
Mwalimu.
Mwalimu. Oh. So these nouns, mwalimu. I'll just give you 2 examples here. Plural of these ones, we just drop M. Plural becomes
Walimu.
walimu. So you drop M and it just remains with the walimu. Few exceptions like mwanamke. It combines 2 nouns. Mwana means daughter or son, and mke means wife.
Okay.
For these ones, it's not following this, just dropping M. So let's see. Mwanamke. Mwana. Okay? Mwanamke. So there is here and there is here. Plural, women's will be wana, wanawake. You also change this one. But here you drop this and you change this one. Wanawake. Dani habari.
Zuri.
Hujambo.
Si jambo.
Mambo vipi?
Poa.
Group number 3, kaka Alvin. Group number 3, whereby I have to write, it's all about family members. Family members. But the ones that do not take plural form. Baba.
Baba.
Mama.
Mama.
Babu.
Babu.
Bibi.
Bibi.
Rafiki.
Rafiki.
Shangazi.
Shangazi means?
Aunt. I'll write.
Shangazi.
All right. Binti.
Binti.
Daughter. Cousin. Binam.
Binam.
All these do not have plural form. But when you go out, I am pretty sure you will hear people saying marafiki. That is wrong. Should be rafiki. So I write them all. So you have it. And But uncle is not there because uncle go back to group number 1. Uncle is mjomba.
Mjomba.
Yes, mjomba. So group number 3 is family member whereby do not have a plural form. Number 1 is baba, singular and plural is the same. Number 2 mama. 3 kaka. 4 dada. 5 babu and bibi. Babu, bibi. 6 shangazi, aunt. Shangazi, aunt. What did I say? Friend? Rafiki.
So if I have to say father of all children come to school.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Sawa? Don't worry, we're going to fix it. This is going to be clear for you, don't worry. So Rafiki, and then we said cousin. Binam. Daughter. Binti. Yes.
Mwanamke is woman, no? Female.
Mwanamke is woman. Mambo. Jambo. So you better write all these ones because we are going to use them a little bit different from the rest.
Son is?
Sorry?
Son. Daughter is Binti.
Son is a bit different because now we need to say, there is a word saying kijana wa kiume, kijana wa kike. So binti has at least 2 options.
Okay.
You can say just binti like here, or you can say kijana wa kike, meaning also daughter.
Okay.
And kijana wa kiume, meaning son. Kike is female.
Yeah.
And kiume.
When I was in the Zanzibar, some children, small kids came and asked me. Nivu was playing in the sun. Manaume, manaumke.
They couldn't understand it.
They couldn't. They were having a bet. So half of them thought he's boy. Half thought he's girl.
So, pole. This is group number 3. Let us wait for our brother.
So in school, you learn all subjects in Swahili, or you learn only English, science, maths? You learn.
If you're going to, I went to a public school, so the government school. So there was no English until you come to secondary school. But you learn English as a subject, as I think from class 3 or class 4. Then I start counting in English 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah. But if you go to private schools,
you learn
English from day 1.
Yeah, because if you learn maths and science and this, it's very difficult
to shift from Swahili way of teaching. All the 7 years you've been learning in Swahili, and then from secondary school,
everything is in English.
Everything's going to be in English. It's crazy.
That is a recipe for disaster.
It's crazy. Yeah. Otherwise, they should have said that, okay, we do everything in Swahili. It doesn't matter from primary school to secondary school, or we change everything into English, because now we have to, for example, Chinese. They learn, I think most of the time, they learn it in Chinese language.
But if you're interested in being global, unfortunately...
If you want to be competitive, then you have to learn English. But now the Chinese, they have an advantage because of their number, that is number moja, and number mbili because of their economy. So we need them than they need us. Okay, so we need each other, but I think we need them the most than they need us, because they produce almost everything, so that we need to buy from them. If you don't speak their language, okay, they want to do business, but then you will be forced to go. Most of the time, you see these people going there to buy products. So it doesn't matter for those Chinese who doesn't speak English, who are in China, and you have something to buy from them, then you have to learn their language sometimes. This is the advantage they have, the Chinese. But the countries, small countries like Tanzania, now we need to learn English.
No, but I was just reading Nerere's book. He said we don't want to import anything into, I mean, this was in the 60s, into Tanzania because we want to become self-sufficient. Right? So that's a good way of thinking about it. And one of the ways is to have the closed economy like China. They don't buy anything from outside.
At least maybe they buy raw material.
Not, I don't think so.
Raw material also is there.
They
Other
are
than
trying-
oil, nothing they will.
Something, yeah. Only lithium, I think they need.
Lithium is there. So
That's why they are coming to Africa. In fact,
But oil is the main reason they come to Africa.
lithium is a new thing because all your
Electric
vehicles, electric cars need lithium.
They are shifting
Batteries.
to that. They're shifting to that direction. Okay, sawa mambo.
Cool.
So we have seen 3 groups in this class. Number 1 is group for nouns starting with M, whereby they take wa as a plural.
Okay.
Number 2, we have MW nouns, whereby you just drop M, having a plural of it. Mwalimu becomes walimu.
Yeah.
Number 3, we just saw it. It was family
doesn't
member,
change.
whereby you do not have a plural.
Yeah.
Number 4, it is for. Now you have to be careful. The animals, most of the animals do not have a plural. There are few animals they have a plural. Sawa? I'll tell you which ones. I'll tell you. But for now, animals, you can write most of the animals do not take plural form. Simba is Simba, Tembo, Tembo, Chui, Chui, Paka, Paka, Ngombe, Kuku, all these do not have a what?
Plural.
You can just mention few. So I'm not going to write that. I just write animals do not take plural. Most of them actually, not all. Sawa? Number 5, it is for the nouns. We call them professionals. Most of the professional.
The lawyer and all.
Daktari.
Daktari, yeah.
Dereva. You know dereva? The driver.
Okay.
Nesi. You know nurse?
Nesi.
Nesi. Hakimu. What is hakim? Judge.
Sounds like, judge.
Hakimu is judge.
Okay.
But this professional, most of them, they take plural form of ma. Let's say hakimu, mahakimu. Polisi, mapolisi. Daktari, madaktari. Dereva, madereva. You understand? Kak Alvin, you understand?
Yeah.
Is there a word for scientist?
Not only scientist. It's shaka, but what about driver? What about judge? What about padre, whereby you're talking about a priest?
What is the professional name for scientist?
Wanasayansi.
Wanasayansi.
Yes. So it's following the second category from here. If it's singular, it's mwana sayansi. Mwana. You guys are scientists, is it? She is.
Me and Sister John Mary.
And you are politicians.
Politician.
I am a businessman.
You're businessman, yeah. So.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, yes, you are. That was number 5. Number 6. It is for the nouns from the same class, and this time they do follow in category of like a key V, but they do not belong here. They do belong here. There are animals, few animals, and this time they take a plural form.
Okay.
How do you say rhino?
Kisungu.
Oh, Kisongo is an area, bro. Kisongo is a place whereby I think where there is a school. But it's starting with a key. How do you say hippo?
No.
How do you say butterfly?
No.
Chameleon? You don't know? Have you been to Tanzania for this? Okay.
We have not seen many animals.
I'm just kidding. Hippo. Hippo is kiboko.
Kiboko.
Kiboko. Hippo. K-I-B-O-K-O, kiboko.
Mm.
That is hippo. So hippo, if it's plural, will be viboko.
Yeah.
Iboko.
Rhino,
Then why is it in this class and not that?
because this class is for all living creatures. It doesn't matter how they start, they are nouns, but the agreement they'll be following from here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same like
We've not done agreement yet. Okay.
Yes,
Got
we
it.
haven't done the agreement yet. So we're not changing the agreement. They all have the same agreement. The only thing is the nouns are different.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes. Rhino is kifaru. Not kisongo. Kifaru. A butterfly is kipepeo. 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 The other thing. Chameleon. Kinyonga. I'm going to write it. Kinyonga. Kinyonga. In the same category number sita, there will be some people, mostly, and not mostly, maybe all, disabled people. A person who cannot see, we call him kipofu. Kipofu.
What is the word for eye?
Macho. Jicho. Jicho is an eye, and a macho is going to be plural eyes.
Okay, that's another noun class.
Yes, that's going to be G-ma class.
G-ma class.
Yes. So kipofu is a blind person. Next, for a person who cannot hear, we call him deaf. Kiziwi. Kiziwi. And then we have a general term for disabled people. It doesn't matter your disability. If you cannot see, if you cannot talk, if you have a
walking problem.
The general term for them is called the kilema. Kilema. So those are 6 subcategory or nouns from this class called mwa class.
Mwa class.
Ndio. Alvin, mambo.
Poa.
Hujambo, brother.
Si jambo.
Good. So what are we going to do today? Leo tutafanya in a style whereby it's different from last time. We're going to do it different from last time. Sawa?
So
everything we are going to follow the 11 agreements like here. Everything like here. But it's going to be different. Sawa?
Sawa.
I want to do it different. And see how it's going to work this time. And it's going to be my first time to do this way. I haven't done before. I'm doing my science as well, so I'm a scientist as well, bro. Not only a teacher, but also a scientist.
Yeah.
I'm doing kind of research if it's gonna work, so maybe I can use it next time, or it's not gonna work. Now, okay, so I'll go through these. Sawa. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tell you every time. What are the demonstrative, what are the possessive, what are the what, all this with no examples. And then later on I'll give you a homework. Sawa?
Okay.
Great? because it is exactly the same like a Kiwi class, except the nouns are different. The only part that I will try to explain is when I reach here, but that is going to be about the possessive here. This is the only point I will try to show you the difference. The rest, nothing. And then I will hand out to you a homework.
And we will see.
Yeah, and then it's going to be my research. So we start with demonstrative, Kaka. This boy. This is going to be who you, H-U-Y-U. This is H-U-Y-U. Sawa?
Sawa.
Who you. This. Danya, tell me.
What this?
Kiwi class. For that and those was something that was far. Every time they was ending with LE, you see, kile and vile.
Yeah.
And what did we use? We used the
Hiki and Hivi. Yeah.
Okay, so keep that, and I'll ask you soon.